Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina and this is Miss Cali Cat, who is snoozing on my lap. Oh, I touched her. She woke up. Hey baby. Oh my goodness, sometimes I wonder if y'all can hear her purring over the camera. And then it may go out whenever I I take the background noise and things like that out when I'm editing because, my ceiling fan is noisy and y'all don't want to hear that. But today we are reading from Unit 10. It is the first of the week. This is in the Experiencing God book by the Blackaby family and Claude King. If you are interested in trying this book, I do have a link below on Amazon where you can order it, and I really do recommend it. It brought a lot of joy to my life to get together with some of my friends from church and talk about the Lord. Hi. She's like, just get on with it, Mom, so you can pet me. So this verse says, we who are many are one body in Christ and individually members of one another. Romans 12:5. I think that is so important for us to remember that we are all a part of the body of the church of Christ. Christ being the head, and we have our own God-given talents and skills that are important to that church body. So it just kind of reminds you that we do need to be more involved in our church. And I'm working on this, y'all. I've actually talked this morning with some of the ladies from church, and we're gonna get me more into the church, and I'm actually gonna start putting together a gift basket. They're doing something at the intermediary school in the beginning of May to support our teachers, and we'll raffle off their gift basket. Somebody's gonna win it, and I thought I was the perfect person for that because I'm pretty good at putting a giveaway together. And so yeah, I'm trying. I hope y'all will be encouraged to be more of a part of your local churches and help out in the community. So let me read this one more time and then I'm going to let you go. We who are many are one body in Christ and individually members of one another. That is Romans 12:5. Remember, we're supposed to love one another and our neighbors, and yeah, be there for each other like y'all have been there for me. Y'all have a wonderful day and God bless.